My sweet thing, we will find a way out of my bed. Once in my life you decided to stay. It was the best morning I ever had. You stroke my back with your head. It reminds me of last night. We started the evening at this small cafe. Before we get blinded by the light, talking to everybody your words. I had none but I felt fine, tumbling through the night like summer rain. I believe in you will shine. My sweet thing, we will find a way out of my bed. Once in my life you decided to stay. It was the best morning I ever had.
Minu lemmiktegevus oli see vehklemine. Sellepärast ma võitsin seal ja tuli nii lahe nagu huvitav ja sai nagu kakelda ja
In my pocket cold keys remind me of my bed. And the next days will be the last days, rude and sad. Behind the line you hide your face in the dark. My heart goes like a bus spark. And the next days will be the first days in the park. My sweet thing, we will find a way out of my bed. Once in my life you decided to stay. It was the best morning I ever had.
Sest siin on päris tore, selles mõttes saab teiste noortega aega veeta ja nagu üldse, mis ikka suvel teha. Eks kindlasti on see kiiking on vahva olnud praegu, et see oli kindlasti siuke hea adrenaliini laks ja siuke värk, et ta oli kindlasti hästi vinge. Tuletõrjujate tegevus, see oli päris äge, mulle meeldis selles kostüümis ringi aasta ja päris raske oli, ajas isegi higistama. See oli huvitav. Pöial nendele päästjatele.
talking to everybody your word. I had none but I felt fine, tumbling through the night like summer rain. I believe in you will shine. My sweet thing, we will find a way, way out of my way. Once in my life you decided to stay. It was the best morning
ja on teil mingeid häid anekdoote või? Mida kannatab kuulata suure seltskonnaga ka? Nagu nii te teate, selliseid anekdoote, mida ei kannata kuulata. Timo on väga nõrga närviga, ta ei kannata väga karme anekdoote. Ta hakkab kaameraga vibreerima, kui mingi selline natuke karm anekdoot. Näita, kus näe. Juku tuli koolist, näe, juba äriseb. Tegelikult ma ühe anekdooti võiks rääkida, aga ma ei tea, pärast ma õpetajad ütlevad mulle või kes teil on siin, et kohal siis teevad. Okei, ma ei räägi.
Best years in the streets around my house. Smoked my first cigarette with a friend I still have now. We all had tie-dye shirts and grazes on our knees. I reenact the days like that on days like these. I took some Polaroids in the backseat of your car, wearing some sunglasses we found in Cameron's yard. You got your first tattoo done just outside of town. We learned the hard way in a pair of hand-me-downs. Give me sunshine and I'll waste my time. 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 Let's board the next flight and get lost inside those streets. Memories of barefoot walks straight down to Venice Beach. Suntans and camper vans, our sunsets on the strip. I'd trade the best of things for a few more days like this.
2 minutit. Rahulikult. Hooga närviliselt. Andsid et Piretile viimase selle koha.
Ole vait, Venno!
Piret valab kõiki mööda andmist. Lähed jälle mööda, Piretile.
Give me sunshine and I'll waste my time. 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 Give me sunshine and I'll waste my time.
Vajaks rohkem teid siia. Kummuli, kogu võistkond. Kummuli, kõik, kummuli siia. Teie saate selle.
Give me sunshine and I'll waste my time, 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 time.
Helme! Hurraa! Helme on saanud